Hi, myself Dr. M.V. Ramamohan, consultant endocrinologist, Povthota, Nellore. Now I'll be discussing about gestational diabetes. Diabetes is a condition in which your sugars are too high. If it occurs for the first time during pregnancy, it is called gestational diabetes. In India, around 10 pregnancies in 100 pregnancies have diabetes mellitus. That means they need treatment from endocrinologist. So, what happens if you don't treat these high sugars in pregnancy? This will lead to both maternal and fetal complications. The fetal complications like congenital malformations, you have big babies, you have delivery problems, you have difficulty labor. In maternal complications like patients, mothers will be having hypertension, mothers will be having pregnancy induced hypertension can occur and will lead to maternal complications. So we need to treat these high sugars in pregnancy. The target sugars in pregnancy are less than 95 fasting, less than 130 postprandial, that is 2 hours after breakfast. So what is the treatment of choice in pregnant ladies? The treatment of choice in pregnant ladies is insulin, because insulin is the best choice in them, we give them. So it won't cross placenta and it won't go to the baby. So the mother's blood sugars will be treated very good. So what happens if you give oral tablets in these patients? The oral drugs will cross the placenta and will go to the baby, will cause fetal complications. So our aim in pregnancy is to have a safe mother and safe labor and safe and healthy child. So we have to give insulin in these patients to have a better outcomes. So under endocrine consultation, we take the pregnant lady with diabetes. We see them every weekly, twice weekly. We tend to ask them to do blood sugars at home and give us feedback, and we tend to adjust the insulin doses to bring the sugars under control, and finally to have a better fetal outcomes and maternal outcomes in these patients. So if anybody of you having gestational diabetes, it is better you go to an endocrinologist and have a good consultation to have no complications in the pregnancy. Thank you.